What is good, YouTube? I'm about to do something that it's a huge decision for me, right? Like, whatever happens after 9, I want you guys to know that I gotta do some things that put me at risk. Okay, come on, let's sign the waiver. Boy, Luis, you're not gonna like that. Come on, sit. Guys, that's another thing I'm considering, getting a dog, but not now. It's too much of work here in Canada, man.
I've seen you. I know. I took picture.
Bro, everyone is making big decisions today. Okay, guys, we have done that, and we're gonna be going to shoot guns.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one here is also a 44 Magnum and a Desert Eagle. Okay. And then we have a 50 AE Desert Eagle. The largest production pistol caliber in the world, which is a 500 Smith & Wesson. And then because somebody felt like it was a great idea, there's a 45-70, which is a rifle caliber in a revolver.
That is insane.
Okay. So that's that stuff. So we have CZs, we have Smith & Wesson, SIGs, Trojan, Remingtons, Gersan. There's a bunch of different stuff there for brands. And then we've got our rifle carbines. So this guy, and this guy are all 9mm. It's easier to shoot than you think. Actually pay attention to instructions. Right?
Okay.
That's going to give you the tightest, smoothest squeeze all the way through to send it as close to center as possible. Okay? This guy here is not exactly the same as what you're shooting, but it's the same idea. Okay? So it's the same pistol grip down here, right? Make sure that your finger is off the trigger until you're ready to fire. Your second point of contact is up here. And then your third point is just like this in that soft pocket of your shoulder, okay? You want it up about just like that. Notice how it's sitting up like that, okay? So you can go feet pointed towards the trigger or the target, and you want to lean in. And as you see, when I lean in, the rest of the buttstock gets covered by my shoulder, and then I put my cheek down, and it puts me right in line with my optic. You're going to be looking at a red dot through your optic. That is right about where your target or your projectile is going to land on your target. Some glasses from that. How many targets did you guys have?
In total, it was 5.
5 in total?
No, I took 2. You took 2. Okay, I took 2.
Yeah. Oh, is that what it was? Oh, okay. Yeah.
This looks like a yes.
Yeah.
Man, it's crazy, bro. I honestly don't know what we're doing out here, but
I put it in the case with the mag.
we are about to go crazy.
It could be that variant, but it's
gonna be like fashion glass.
full Logan on the empty mag.
Mine wasn't always in me.
And I left your protection on the table for you guys.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna go find more of that.
Give you the bag and camera. That's Damn, that is some serious noise cancellation.
From this point forward, your eyes and ears stay on at all times. Okay? We're going to go in this door here. Once we are all inside that room, we let the door close behind us before we open the door.
This is the craziest shit I've ever done in my life. I don't know what my mom is gonna say when she sees this, but this is insane. We're about to go crazy. Luis, how'd you feel? Talk to Cap. How'd you feel?
Yo, that's bumping, man.
Derek, what you gotta say?
I'm
I know for a fact that I'm just gonna kill all my shots. It's
You
like,
what?
I'm gonna kill all my shots.
You're gonna kill all your
It's
shots?
come on,
Like
man.
bullseye
Looking for the
type thing?
shit. Matt is beating over time.
You heard this one?
Matt is beating over time, man.
Okay, please hold it. Let's go. It's my 5. Well, my heart is palpitating low-key, but I'm trying to stay calm till I actually do it. And then, oh my god. Holy smokes. It looks cool in here, man.
Okay, who's gonna go first?
He's gonna go first.
What?
Yeah, you're going first.
That's all.
Oh my fucking days. talk to him, bro.
How was the experience, man?
How'd you feel? My boy?
Wait,
Yeah,
how was the
man.
first shot? First shot.
How's the first shot? The first one you shot.
Very easy, man. First shot was like real shit. The recoils, yeah. Now you definitely feel the recoil.
Like you, yeah, like
Yeah. Let's say. My best shot.
bro.
My best
Damn.
shot, bro.
Hey, that was crazy, bro.
Best shot, bro. Really close, eh?
Oh my god. That is crazy. So who's going next? Me? Oh my goodness, God.
Okay, so right now we're not loaded. I want you to pick up the firearm like I showed you in the other room. Make sure that you can see the front sight through the rear sights, nice and flat and clear on the target. Okay? Come into the booth a little bit more. There you go. Got it? Okay, with this hand, grab your magazine and put it in the bottom. Give it a pump. Good. Now grab up here, pull all the way back and let it go. No. You want to grab here and pull. Nope, not enough. Pull it all the way back and let it go. Okay, you should be live. Got it on target? Okay, when you're ready.
Bro,
First shot. This is a
bro,
picture.
I'm not even gonna lie. Like, that first shot, I didn't know what was going on.
Recoil.
I did not know what was going on. Cause
Step up, man.
I just, it felt so light to shoot that my hand just went, whoa.
Great shot.
Bro, awful. Look at this, bro.
No, you did good though with the headshot.
Oh, headshot. I got a headshot. But bro, see, now I get it when he said we should get 2 magazines, because like after that first time you kind of overcome that fear and like you wanna do more. It was shit. But this is a good shot though. Head, like vital organs. Did you get points for these? Like,
I doubt. I think where you get points is the X.
Bro, that is crazy, man. I gotta get big loot.
You got it? Okay, with this hand, grab your magazine, put it into the bottom, and give it a pop.
I'm gonna say to the side.
There you go. Grab the top and pull all the way back and let go. You're now live. Whenever you're ready.
Woo! I need to catch big loot, man. Bro, that recoil effect is crazy. Okay, okay. That is insane. Bro, look. This is so way off target, bro. Are you ready for your second round?
I think so.
What do you how did it go? How did it go?
Good.
Seriously? You wanna go again? Wow! Derek, you're up next, man. Okay, I got you. You're good. Okay. How did it feel, man? Talk to me.
Great, man.
Okay, let me see. Man, you had good shots, bro. You got like a headshot. You got one to the chest too. That's great. That was great, ball, man. That is insane. You ready? Okay, now I got the camera.
Okay, so this time, you pick it up the same way, put your magazine in when you're ready, and then instead of pulling back on the slide, this button here, you're going to push that straight down. The slide will automatically load it for you, okay? There you go. You're now live.
Yo, 3.
That was crazy. Go. What do you have to say to your fans at home?
I'm joining the armed forces. Facts.
Shit.
Yo.
Woo!
You got 2 in here, 1 dead center up there. It's a good job.
Bro, you're a natural at this shit, bro. Holy smokes.
Okay. So this one's going to be a little easier, like I said, because you've got 3 points of contact. So because of that, I'm sending the target farther down.
Oh, okay.
When I don't want to shoot new distance, we want to carry.
You again.
You want to use a different target?
Yes, yeah, I was gonna say that, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna take this to my girlfriend. She's gonna be so proud of me. So guys, we're going for, come on, show them what we're shooting now. Shoot something a little bit more aggressive.
Okay, come on in.
Okay.
First thing, I want you to pull up just like I showed you. Make sure that your chin is down touching here, your cheek. You're looking through here with your one eye. And you should see a red dot. Put that red dot on target. That's what you want to do. Yeah, that's fine. There's a hook right over there if you want.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay. So what you're gonna do is flip that over on, nope, other way. There. Put that in. All the way. There you go. Grab this handle and pull it back. Let it go. There you go. You're live. Little low. Hold on for just a minute. Good job.
No.
Well, that's 3 shots all in one hole there, and 2
Wow.
in one there.
Okay.
Good job.
Thank you. Ah, my God. This one felt a little different from the first one.
You're taking a picture.
Ah, my God. Bro.
Okay, you remember how I showed you? Yeah. All right. First, I want you to get into position and make sure that you can see that red dot. Got it? All right. Grab your magazine and put it in the bottom. Give it a pop. There you go. Pull that lever back. Let it go. You're now live.
Damn, bullseye.
Fuck.
Again.
Center again?
Yeah. Close. Oh, headshot. Headshot.
Yeah, that's it.
Good job.
Come on. Come on, Jackson. How was the feeling of this one?
I got a dead shot.
You got a dead shot? Yeah, I feel like I like this one better. Just because you have more places on your body.
Yo,
where it kinda
reveal
rests.
time, reveal
Oh
time.
my God, that was good. That was good.
G.I. Joe. John Wick. We got John Wick here.
Good job. Okay, so like I said, I did bring out 2 extra mags if you want, or we can call her done. Maybe go inside and try something different.
Yeah, do you want to call it quits? Huh? Or do you want to go extra max?
You want to?
Do you want to shoot again?
No.
Are you good?
I don't get the money.
Huh? Huh?
He doesn't have the financial capability.
Can we add one more so he just gets a feel?
I got it right here.
Yeah.
You want to shoot the
Yeah.
pistol or the rifle?
No, that one.
Rifle.
He's gonna shoot the rifle. Cause he already had a taste of the pistol. So we all gone crazy, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. This is so much fun. It's so much fun. Definitely gonna do this again.
Don't play. See that shit?
Damn, bro.
Bullseye.
You sure say you know they shoot behind our back?
Headshot.
You sure say you know they shoot behind our back? What did they go on this guy?
Don't play. Which play?
You sure say this guy know they shoot gun behind our back? You don't get where they go practice. I mean,
Seriously?
na Fortnite scope they use. Sure, na Fortnite scope they use.
Where are Fortnite school?
Na Fortnite scope they use.
You just need to adjust them.
Bro, I know, I dey adjust. You know they work. Eh? I said, but this is so good, so much fun. I think we're gonna come back again. Honestly, I think we're gonna come back a lot of times. I think we just found something new that we're gonna be pretty much obsessed over.
Shooting stance.
So
And make
I
sure you
gotta get my
see
guy.
through that, you see the red dot on the target.
Okay, come on, let's get Big Lou.
You got it? Okay. This hand again, you're gonna grab your magazine, put it in the bottom, give it a pop. Good. Grab that handle, pull all the way back, let it go. Now you're live.
Woo! Damn!
That was good.
That was crazy. No way. Bro.
Okay, you want to see something?
Big Lou? Come here, come here.
Okay, watch this.
Okay.
Yo.
What the fuck? No way. That was crazy. That was crazy.
A single shot in the X.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm not an X user. I'm more of an Instagram person. That's why. But yeah, man. Yeah, no. Lewis did his thing, man. You need to sign up for personal security. You're good.
You guys good?
Yeah, we're good, man. Thank you so much. Well, sadly, I did not get an X. That's how you know I'm not really for this. I'm more of an entertainment guy. All these guys are bunch shooters. they're all bunch shooters. I'm more of an entertainment guy. I'm a soft guy. You feel me? I better get me ready to make I go carry my jacket. I mean, that was so much fun. I'm not even gonna lie.
Got you.
That was so good. I feel like I'm gonna be here every weekend if I can. But it's so much fun, guys. If you haven't tried something like this, I think you should, because it's not nice to live life and not do some things. Like it's available to do. Just go out there and do it, man. Some of you will never know what it's like to shoot a gun. So why don't you find somewhere safe where you can be trained and just come shoot? Just come shoot.
Just so you know, the name of the spot is Phoenix.
Yeah, it's
Phoenix.
The Phoenix shooting, indoor shooting
Range.
range and
And
a gun shop, right? So if you're in Edmonton, this is where you should be, bro. Be here.
Double shot bullseye. We'll gas wait for the head.
We don't go out before the person will bring the coin inside.
So doing
You see Nigeria people, they too do. You won't leave the person will bring it on inside.
Okay, we can head out.
Perfect. That is crazy, guys. We're done. That wasn't too bad in the amount to spend because it's 3 of us and we spent like $263. Not bad. Very pocket friendly.